Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am going to take on this weedy, underutilized foundation landscape here in the Carolina Garden House. I'm going to get it cleaned up and replanted with a bunch of native perennials. So I hope that you will stay tuned to watch my progress. Give you a before view. We've got crabgrass, centipede turf, lots of weeds. Just generally speaking, looks like no one's paid attention to it, because that's precisely no one has paid attention to it. Today is the day that I am giving this some love and attention, and I've got some landscape plugs that would love to get put in the ground. I've got Aster Twilight here and Radon's favorite aster, so I'm going to put those two in hopes of making this bed look like it has purpose. I think I'm also going to do a light seeding of some buckwheat just to help fill in the gaps and make it look more interesting. Well, I hope you agree. This is a massive improvement. And no, my original goal was just to put the bright ice phlox all the way across. I still might do that, but for right now, I think getting these two different asters in is going to definitely suffice. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little fertilizer, give it a good watering, and that way I think this bed will actually maybe look like something in time for the fall open garden. All right, my final steps for this bed are to put out some seed. I have some more Verbena bonariensis, which again, isn't really native. It's native to Brazil, but it performs so well. I'm gonna go ahead and scatter that. And I have some California poppy seeds that I gathered from my garden last spring. And that's loosely native since it's a native to California. Really just trying to fill in some gaps to prevent more weeds from getting established. And then I'm gonna dust everything with cottonseed meal. Cottonseed meal is a great fertilizer. It's a 6:1 NPK ratio. Really help give everything that nitrogen boost they need to be able to start growing out healthy before we have cold temperatures that arrive in November. So fingers crossed, this mid-August renovation will prove to be successful, and this bed will actually look interesting for the fall open garden, which is scheduled for Saturday, September 21st from noon to 4 p.m. I do hope that you will plan to come out to visit and see all of the gardens that we have growing here. As always, thanks so much for watching, and happy gardening, everybody.